Hi guys, it's Trevor here. It's Tuesday at about 9 o'clock and I just finished uploading the latest video and I'm a little bit worried about the reaction from the YouTube world because it's on something a little bit different that I don't normally talk about, and it's visual astronomy, visual observing through a telescope as opposed to astrophotography like normal. So the title of the video is Best Beginner Telescope, which is a pretty bold statement if you ask me. So I recommended the same road that I took that got me hooked almost 10 years ago, which was a Dobsonian reflector. And it's an 8-inch Dob, and I had a chance to use it in the backyard over the past weekend. And yeah, the video goes live tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope to see you guys in there for the live chat, and I'll be in there watching the video with you when it premieres. And hopefully we see some of the new emojis and custom badges that I created for the members only group of the YouTube channel. There's 13 of those members now, and I hope to see some of those tomorrow. That would be really exciting and kind of funny to see those emojis in use in the chat room. And if you haven't already, you can just press the join button on the YouTube channel page if you want to get some more behind the scenes stuff. And it's my job to give as much extra value to that group as possible, and I certainly will be. And I'm thinking for this video that I just shot, I'm actually going to shoot, I'm going to edit an extra video for the members only group that shows more of the behind the scenes and the full unboxing and everything, because I always end up leaving so much footage on the cutting room floor for the videos that go on the live channel. Either way, tomorrow 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I hope to see you there in the chat room watching the video when it premieres live, and I'll see you then.